Now, how do we work out the minimum point of a quadratic function using computing the square? We start by just computing the square of the expression x squared minus 6x plus 1. B is 6, so divided by 2, 3. So you slot 3 into the formula. But like I said, you should now be familiarized with your formula and you should be able to substitute straight away. Now 3 squared, you compute 3 squared. So you have x minus 3 all squared minus 9 plus 1. Compute negative 9 plus 1, that gives you negative 8, and that completes the square. Now to get the minimum point, you need the x coordinate and the y coordinate. The x coordinate is always the opposite of the number in the bracket. It's always the opposite. So you have negative 3, so the x coordinate will be positive 3. But the y coordinate is exactly what is outside the bracket, which is negative 8. So remember, the x coordinate is always the opposite of the number in the bracket. So minus 3, the opposite will be positive 3. And the y coordinate is exactly what is outside the bracket, which is negative 8. So minimum point will be 3, negative 8. The coordinate is 3, negative 8. Let's try the second question. B is 4, so divide B by 2. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. And you substitute 2 into the formula. That's what you have. 2 squared is 4. So next step, you're going to have negative 4 plus 7 outside the bracket. And we need to compute negative 4 plus 7, which gives us positive 3. Like I said, the coordinate point will be the opposite of what is in the bracket. We have plus 2. So the x coordinate will be negative 2. And the y coordinate will be positive 3. And that brings us to the end of our first lesson on computing the square. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please do subscribe and share with your friends. Watch out for lesson 2, which will be talking about computing the square for quadratic expressions where the coefficient of x squared is more than 1. More than 1. That will be lesson 2. Thank you very much.